Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to show these loading spinners, progress bars. So nice little spinners. So there is a package inside Vue 3 which supports all these types of spinners. You can see this is an atom, this is all sort of shapes, all sort of animations it supports. So the name of the package is Epic Spinners. So if you just search Epic Spinners npmjs.com, the very first package which comes, this is their uh, I've already installed it. This is actually a command and it's almost having 8,000 weekly downloads, and it has a nice little website as well. So if you go to their website, this is their website. They do offer a nice little documentation explaining about each spinner in detail and get started. So they do offer a complete example right here. So I will show you this complete example. So just inside your app.vue, after installing this plugin or library, just inside your script tag, we will first of all write our TypeScript code or requiring this. So whatever spinner that you are working with, we first of all need to require it. So let's suppose I want to display the atom spinner, and it will be coming from this Epic Spinners. So we require this, then we export this component, export default, and then the components like this. So we are using this atom spinner, we are exporting this. That's all that we need to do. And now we come to the template part where we need to display this. So we display this by simply, we will have a div tag right here and just give it an ID here. Inside this we say atom spinner, and then it actually takes some parameters. First of all, the animation duration, you can control it. Animation duration, it is in millisecond. I just want it to happen around 1000 millisecond. It's essentially 1 second. Then you can even control the size as well, which I will say 60, and then you can even control the color as well. So here you need to specify the hexadecimal code. So it is as the pink color. So if you refresh your application, so I think it needs to come inside single quotes. So just make sure you put single quotes right here. So now you can see your animation happens for 1 second. So this is your atom animation. So you can control it, change it to 5000. So now it happens very slowly. You can change it any color. So if we change it to yellow color, you will see it will change to yellow color. So in this way, you can, let me paste the full code. I have given the full code in the description of this video, where I just given all the examples. You can see that you can easily customize this if you have this code. So just go to the description and you can play with these examples. You can play with the sizes. So if you decrease the sizes, so you will be able to. So this is actually the package, guys. All these customizations you can do. You can control the animation duration, size, color. So these three things about the loading spinners that you see. So Epic Spinners is it calls. It's contain almost 20 spinners, and it's Vue.js integration, CSS animations it supports. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.